Welcome to AuctionRPM. In just a few moments, we'll have shown you how AuctionRPM looks, how it feels, and how it works.
If I go to the main menu here and I want to schedule an upcoming auction, I would go to Auctions on the left, the Preparation tab, and click Schedule an Auction. I would just type in the auction name and the location where it will be, and choose from the calendar of the date and time that auction will take place. If I want to put in some further details, such as choosing a tax that will be applied to that auction, I would just choose from my list here, and if I don't see it in that list, I just click on Add New. Same thing applies for an approved payment type. I accept credit card, check, or cash with an associated buyer's premium. To start putting in some inventory that's going to be applied to that auction, I would click on Inventory Master, click on New, and just type in a short description of that item. Choose from my category list, and if I don't see one in that list, I can just click on Add New. The same thing applies to my consignor list. If I don't see one in that list, I can just click on Add New. Each time I put in an item, I just click Save. It puts it at the bottom. These fields turn blank again, so I can add in another item, and I just keep saving at the bottom. Once I have finished with the inventory add process, I just click Done, and my inventory is listed all here at the bottom. If I would like to take that general inventory and put it into an upcoming auction, I would just go to Add Edit Lots, select the auction that I want it to be in. I can highlight all of my inventory and set the current lot number to 1, and AuctionRPM will automatically lot all of my items for me immediately just by clicking on this one button here, and it transfers all of my items over into this upcoming auction. If I now want to go to Day of Auction, I can go to Bidder Registration, select the auction that I want to register my buyers for, click Buyer Lookup, and here is a list of all of my buyers. If I don't see one in that list, I can click on Add New. In the event if I was using a driver's license scanner, I would just scan the driver's license, click OK, and register. When I go back to my main menu here, and I want to go to Day of Auction and see my cataloged auction coming up, I see the clerking screen is under Pre-Lotted Auction Bid Entry. Here is my upcoming auction, a list of my cataloged inventory, and for lot number, I just type in 1, tab over to the quantity. In this case, the amount for the winning bid is going to be $100. Tab over again to the bidder number, and that's going to be 1, and hit Enter. And we see that it put them up there in the screen. The next available lot number is going to be 2, tab over again to the quantity. The amount on this will be $50, and I tab over again to the bidder number. In this case, the bidder is going to be winning bidder number 2. I just hit Enter, and again it puts them up here in the grid. In the event a buyer would like to go ahead and check out while the auction continues, I would go to Accounting on the left and hit Create Invoice. I would punch in their buyer number and hit Enter, and it shows the items they have won. I go to Process Invoice, and it also shows the payment types I accept, such as credit card, check, cash, and the associated buyer's premium that will be attached to this invoice, as well as a tax if it will be applied. I would go to Finalize Invoice to continue checking out that customer. If I click on Cancel, and I go to Tools on the left, Advanced, Import Data, it shows here I can import my entire buyer list, consignors, and all of my inventory. If I click Cancel, and I hit Exit, it shows that I can back up all of my data somewhere else if I choose. Thank you for watching our AuctionRPM video.
The next step is to download the software. Also, let us take you on an extended tour of the program. If you have any questions, please call our offices and make full use of our tech support. We thank you for evaluating AuctionRPM.